Here's a demonstration of the AltTester new CLI and AI skills, when used with Claude Code and the Fable 5 model. We ask the model to create a test that can cook and serve random orders with two different players in a cooking co-op style game. Claude connects to both game instances and starts exploring the objects and the world. It starts a new game in one instance, then joins the same kitchen from the second instance. It starts moving one of the chefs, mapping out the kitchen layout. It then starts looking into how to deliver orders, starting with a soda. It figures out how to pick up a cup, how to place it in the soda machine and then fill it. It learns how to reset the game when needed, to start over. It tries to deliver the soda order without a tray, then realizes that a tray is needed and restarts the game. It delivers the first order on a tray, then starts working on figuring out the chopping station mechanism. Next, it checks out the deep frying station with the chips. These get burned at first, but the model learns how to cook them. It now has the kitchen stations and the cooking mechanisms figured out, so it starts looking into how to drive two games at the same time using Robot Framework. It starts creating the test plan and the technical reference with the locators and information it found during the exploration phase. Next, it starts implementing all the actions, checks, and flows needed for the tests. We now have the first iteration of the tests ready. One test just starts a new game. The second test actually tries to deliver 3 random orders. The model starts running them and iterates through small fixes to get them up and running. At this point, the model runs into a bug with the game instance on the lower side of the screen, where the game gets stuck showing a black screen. It will report this problem later on, but for now it manages to recover the game and continue running the tests. This is the first run that starts delivering orders, but Chef 2 gets stuck because Chef 1 already occupies the space where Chef 2 is trying to deposit the burger patty. The model updates the tests and adds a method to park each chef away from interest points. The next run fails because Chef 2 doesn't put down the fryer basket before trying to deliver orders, so this case gets tested and handled correctly. We now have the first run that actually delivers an order successfully. The model is running the test again to try more orders. Every dish type is covered now, and the chefs split the kitchen duties by location. Chef 1 handles the left side, and Chef 2 handles the right side of the kitchen. The model makes some speed improvements and only picks orders that have a chance of being finished on time. Now we have the final report, also including the bugs noticed along the way. Here comes the first human intervention, asking the model to keep only the second test, refactor it to allow easily changeable number of orders, and reset the game with a scene load, for speed. The human review also noticed that the test wasn't picking the oldest order to deliver, so the model investigated and fixed that issue. If you want to see the generated tests, please check out this GitHub link.